How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Wildwood Lite. This is going to be their 22 veranda floor plan. And if I back up, you can see exactly why it is called the veranda floor plan. On the campsite here, you're gonna have a pretty good sized awning. We just saw that pass-through storage. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that we have dual axle. Up above those tires, you have a TV backer already put in place, which is really nice. But we are going to start at the very back of this travel trailer first. So this is a 9-foot deck. It is extendable. It is fully extended right now. Hopefully you're gonna have better views than I have right now. You have a sound system by JBL up top, LED light strips, oversized griddle. Down below here, you're gonna find a fridge to keep your drinks cold. And then up top, you have a sink. If I take a step back, you're gonna be able to see the sliding glass door, which is gorgeous. And then we're gonna take a step on the inside. Straight to the right, you're gonna have your entertainment center, smart TV, fireplace, which is huge, guys. Next to that, you have your dining area. Now, the cool thing about this dining area is that it does extend, so you can get yourself some more elbow room. And then the rest of your kitchen is going to be off of that. So you have your 3-burner cooktop, oven down below. Up top, you kind of have a hidden microwave kind of situation, as well as a spice rack on the end there. Single basin sink, storage above, storage below. And then on the end here, you have a little pull-out trash can situation. Across from all of this, starting with the living room, you have an L-shaped sectional. Does turn into a bed. You do have some bins underneath that do come with the travel trailer, which is really nice. And then next to that, you have a pull-out pantry. So this pantry is really nifty, easy to stow, easy to go. You have your fridge right next to that. It is 12 volt. It is oversized. And then towards the middle of this travel trailer, you're going to find your bathroom. So on the right, you have your shower with your skylight up above. Your toilet is going to be in the corner here. And then across from all of that, you're going to find your mirror, sink with some storage down below. At the very front, you're going to have your main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed. It is on a VersaTilt to give you a little bit of extra leg room in the bedroom, which is really nice to have. On the right-hand side, you're going to find these pet steps in case your furry friends like to go camping with you. And then there is that second entrance that we saw on the outside of the travel trailer. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Wildwood Lite 22 veranda. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Straight to the right, you're going to have your entertainment center, smart TV, fireplace, which is huge, guys. Next to that, you have your dining.